In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new client in QuickBooks Online Accountant. Whether you're an accounting professional managing multiple clients or a business owner stepping into the world of financial tools, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate new clients into your system. Starting off, let's begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online Accountant account. Open up your preferred internet browser and head over to accountant.intuit.com. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your QuickBooks Online Accountant dashboard. It's essential to ensure that you're using secure login details to protect your client's financial data. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your personalized dashboard. The next step is to access the client's dashboard, which serves as a central hub for all your client interactions within QuickBooks. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a vertical menu. Here, click on the Clients tab. This page provides an overview of all your current clients and their QuickBooks Online accounts, offering a streamlined view of your clients' needs and statuses. Now, to add a new client, focus your attention on the top right-hand corner of the Clients page. You should see a button that says Add Client. Clicking this will initiate the process. This function is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through the necessary fields without any hassle. At this stage, you will need to enter your client's details. This typically includes basic information such as the business or client's name, their email address, and optionally, their phone number and address. You may also be prompted to select the client's industry and company type. QuickBooks uses this information to tailor the experience and ensure that the services provided align perfectly with the client's business needs. The next step involves setting up QuickBooks Online for your client. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either create a new QuickBooks Online subscription for your client or invite an existing QuickBooks Online user to join. If your client is new to QuickBooks, you'll want to select a subscription plan that best fits their business requirements. Take some time to review the different plans on offer, keeping your client's current and future needs in mind. Once everything looks good, it's time to send an invitation to your client. Review all the information you've entered carefully, and when you're satisfied, send an invitation email to your client so they can access their QuickBooks Online account. This email will contain all the instructions they need to get started. After adding a client, managing their access and permissions is straightforward. You can control the level of access each client has directly from the client's dashboard, adjusting permissions as necessary to fit your workflow and the client's needs. This flexibility ensures that you maintain control over the financial data while allowing your clients to benefit from QuickBooks Online's powerful features. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing clients efficiently in QuickBooks Online Accountant.